Why are architects like Fazlur key to skyscraper design? Imagine standing beneath a building so tall it seems to touch the sky, yet it stands firm against fierce winds and earthquakes. How do engineers and architects make that possible? Well, the secret lies in innovative design and clever engineering. Fazlur Khan was one of the most influential figures in making this happen. His ideas changed how we build tall structures and shape the way cities look today. Before Khan's work, skyscrapers relied on dense steel frameworks that made them expensive and difficult to build very tall. These traditional methods limited how high buildings could go and made them more vulnerable to forces like wind and earthquakes. Khan introduced new ideas that made skyscrapers safer, lighter, and more flexible. He developed structural systems called the framed tube, braced tube, and bundled tube. These designs used closely spaced columns around the building's perimeter connected by stiff beams, creating a strong, lightweight shell that acts like a giant tube. This tube structure helps buildings resist lateral forces, like strong winds or tremors, much better than older designs. It also uses less steel, which cuts costs and allows buildings to reach greater heights. Thanks to these innovations, skyscrapers could be more than just boxy towers. They could have more interesting shapes and designs while staying stable. Many iconic skyscrapers are based on Khan's ideas. The Sears Tower in Chicago, now called the Willis Tower, uses a bundled tube system. The John Hancock Center also employs similar principles. His designs made it possible for buildings like the Petronas Towers in Malaysia and the Bank of China Tower in Hong Kong to reach impressive heights. The tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, uses a bundled tube design that reduces steel use while supporting its enormous height. Khan didn't just focus on the structure. He believed buildings should fit into their surroundings and serve people well. He designed buildings that considered climate, culture, and urban life. For example, the Hajj terminal in Saudi Arabia uses lightweight fabric structures inspired by traditional Bedouin tents, showing how design can adapt to local culture and environment. In the bigger picture of how cities and architecture evolved, Khan's work marked a turning point. It allowed cities to grow upward without overcrowding, giving more space for parks and public areas. His ideas helped shape modern skylines, making tall buildings safer, more economical, and more beautiful. So, architects like Fazlur Khan are vital because they create new ways to build taller and smarter. Their innovations push the limits of what's possible, changing the way cities look and function around the world. Their work is a key chapter in the story of how humans have used architecture to reach new heights, literally and figuratively.